Join us all along the Inkstead, Minnesota radio network as we travel with our local chapters to Indianapolis, Indiana for the 92nd Annual National FFA Convention. Jim and Larry will have daily coverage as we celebrate our future farmers of America.
92nd Annual National FFA Convention. Jim Bartles along with Larry Baumgart. We're in Indianapolis, Indiana Convention Center. Part of the activities are going to be at Lucas Oil Football Stadium, and the rest are going to be here at the Convention Center. This is our broadcast area where we'll be doing, well, it's going to be over 70 broadcast interviews with members of FFA around the state of Minnesota. We encourage you to tune in. But what we're going to do now, we're going to start taking a little tour of what's going on to see some of the sites that are here at the FFA Convention. We're just outside the Hoosier Hallway, giving you a little tour of what's going on. A lot of photos are taken in this area behind us with the big FFA letters, and you see hundreds of FFA Blue Jackets right now down the hallway. Sometimes there's thousands walking down here in between sessions. And of course, behind us is the Career Expo. We'll get some shots in there as well. We'll show you more. We're inside the Career Expo area. You see an awful lot of things going on, food and product processing systems. So many of the farm implement and farm chemical and seed companies are here. It's truly an eye-opening event, and I mean, they could put an awful lot of soybeans and corn in this convention center. It is huge. Well, that gives you a view. We'll check out a few more things here in the Career Center as we move along.
She's a good-hearted woman, living a good time in bed. I'm just a
We're in the Hall of States, several states represented here, including Georgia. And then Stevie is with us right now. You can see right now, Stevie is a cow. Stevie, tell us a little bit about the Georgia exhibit and why you have what you have.
We believe that the commodities of Georgia were so important, so we put them into a museum. And everything here is student built and made. So we took out of floral foam and carved it out and designed it into be so our commodities could be all over, and we even built the walls and everything in it.
Stevie, thanks so much from Georgia.
You're welcome. Thank you.
We're in the main FFA area in the Career Center right now. You see the FFA Creed. So many people have learned throughout the years, I believe in the future of agriculture with a faith born not of words but of deeds. Larry Pan's right now in this area. They have the chronology of the FFA on the wall, and also they've got a list of the officers of FFA, and of course where you stand by and what your duties are, all those things. Well, that's a little bit of what we've got here on our tour of the Career Center, and we're finishing up our tour here on this Wednesday of the National FFA Convention. Of course, we'll have broadcasts coming up on all of our Inkstead, Minnesota radio stations. You see some of the career opportunities that they also have posted in the background. Tune in. We look forward to meeting a lot of our FFA members and sharing their story from Indianapolis on our Inkstead, Minnesota radio stations.